Max, what's up there? Fifi, you too, Fifi? Fifi, look up there. Huh? Now both of my dogs are looking at me. Look at this, look at this. That's hilarious. Oh, Fifi.
Right.
What's that?
Right.
What's that? Literally, my dog, like, almost jumped out the window.